All right, here we got. Gonna do this fast because I'm playing games in a second. We got a small Bart tee.
And basically at this part, I went ahead and talked about the pricing, which I'm not going to disclose, thank you.
But I'm banned on Grailed, so I had to have a middleman help me out there. Anyways, I'm having a rough time doing this, but we're just gonna get into the ripping. Yeah. Yeah. All right, it's open. And there she is, the black Bart tee with the purple tag. Die. Oh, I think you double wrapped it. I think he wrapped it and then wrapped it again to ensure safety. Safe travels. I appreciate that. Oh yeah, wrapped and then wrapped again. Let's go. I'm gonna pause this. All right, back at it. Mom freaking came in, wanted to see what I got. She's probably not gonna like it, not gonna lie. But here we go. Ugh. Unboxing of the unboxing. Let's go. Oh, and it's like perfectly wrapped and everything. Look at that. Look at that small, that purple tag. It's a Bart. Smells like
Flowers, rainbows, unicorns, all that good stuff that you could ever hope for. Thank you.
nice puff. Let's open it up. Check out the front. Okay. Puff looks very intact still for what it is. Puff looks pretty damn clean. Let's check out the killing. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, buddy, look at this condition. Oh yeah, very good, very worth. Just a little small.